How's it going, YouTube? Today we have a special day. We're doing an unboxing. This is my current setup. I have a 34-inch LG monitor. It's done pretty well. We got a little 27 off to the side, but in place How's it going, YouTube? Today we have a special day. We're doing an unboxing. This is my current setup. I have a 34-inch LG monitor. It's done pretty well. We got a little 27 off to the side, but in place of the 34-inch, we've got, drum roll, boom, 43-inch. LG Mega Monitor 43MU79. Rich bass, stereo speakers, remote control, picture-in-picture. It'll do 4 21-inch monitors. Pretty excited to get this puppy open to see what it's all about. Do it. All right, first things first, gonna clear my desk off a little bit and make room for this new beast. So, as I said, gonna move the 34-inch and we'll open her up. Gotta say, this is pretty ridiculous. It's a pretty big box. Let's get this baby open. This is the back, the VESA mount system. Inputs and outputs. AC plug, HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiple USBs, headphones. So, wow. Put that there. Gonna shoot these screws. I'll be right back. Pretty simple so far. Just pop this in. Okay, tabs in. There it is. Snap. Wow. Stupid. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is nuts. Alright. Clean action. Oh, that a plastic protective barrier. It's pretty common. Protect the bezel. I'm telling you what, this thing is gigantic. Dang. I mean, just put some things here just to put this into perspective of what this looks like. It's just so ridiculous. Maybe a can of beer. There, can of beer. All right, gonna go ahead and plug it in. We'll see what happens. Setup is continuing. This thing is just stupid big. I'm telling you. So looking at the cord, this thing just straight takes 120 volts. Got the remote. Looks pretty cool. Brightness, that's cool. Direct control of brightness, picture in picture, audio. Pretty tight. Let's get the power hooked up. Here we go. Juice up, baby. Like, it's so big, I can't even fit it on the screen. Watch display port. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Like, I just have no idea. Wow. Okay, so let's try opening. Oh my goodness. Wow, open Excel. It's just gigantic. So, great picture. Not a lot of haze. Colors really good. Super crisp. I can't say enough. I mean, it looks really good. A little music going, just to test the audio. I'm on a scale of 1 to 10 for a monitor. I'll give it about a 6 or a 7. But the picture is amazing.